Hello everyone, welcome to Angular Step by Step course. Today we will discuss about canDeactivate. Earlier we have discussed about the route guards. Route guards in Angular are a feature that allows you to control the navigation and access to the routes in your application. They provide a way to protect the routes based on the conditions such as user authentication, authorization, or other custom logic. There are several types of route guards: can active child, can deactive, resolve, can load. So route guards are used to secure route paths. We can generate any number of guards based on our application. So guards will work out true or false conditions. So here we can discuss earlier. So today we will discuss about the can deactivate. Here, can deactivate route guard in Angular call whenever we navigate away from the route before the current component gets deactivated. So the best use case for can deactivate guard is the data entry component. The user may have filled the data entry and tries to leave the component without saving his work. So can deactivate is a TypeScript interface that needs to be implemented by the components to create route guards. So this guard will used by the router to decide if the route can be deactivated. So if can be implemented any a Angular component using the can deactivate method of interfaces. So this is about can deactivate. I hope you understand well. If you understand, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.